We are leaving for a cruise on Saturday. We fly out on Saturday. The cruise leaves on Sunday, and it is leaving from, where are we leaving from? Fort Lauderdale. So I am going to get us ready and packed. I'm gonna be packing one of the girls. We have this clothing rack right here. I had her pick out all of her outfits and stuff. And then this is a carry-on backpack, which is the bomb. So excited. It's amazing. It holds so much, but it's so compact. So I'm really excited about that. And then her carry-on suitcase. I really love the hack of putting each outfit together in a Ziploc bag. So I'm gonna be Ziploc bagging. So I have those set aside as well. We are attempting, so most of the time, we live in Texas. Most of the time we cruise out of Galveston, and so we drive to port. But this time, since it's in Florida, we're going to be flying. So we are attempting to only have carry-ons. So we're going to pack our overnight clothes, and then everything we want for boarding the ship in the backpacks. And then everything that can go on board with luggage, with the porters, that's gonna go in our suitcases. And come along, let's see how it goes.
So now it's my turn. We're gonna have a little competition and see what you guys think, whether mom is a better packer or dad. We're also two very different packing styles. I've been packed for a week and our cruise is in a week. She will pack probably Friday and we leave Saturday morning. So which one is your style? I'm about to pack Charlotte and we're gonna try to pack in bags again and we're gonna see how this goes. And you let us know what you think. Who packed better, me or Laura?